What's the Habs Pizza fam? We're celebrating the World Cup today with some delicious Choripán pizza. This thing is unreal. I'm so excited to share this one with you. Come take a look at how I get it done. Let's get in it. Check it out, our chorizo for our Choripán pizza, looking unreal, coming out of the Ooni pizza oven. I thought it'd be fun to cook it up in there. I'm gonna let these cool down a little bit as I show you the rest of what goes on this pizza. I have my dough stretched out for my Choripán pizza. Quite simply, Choripán is chorizo and pan, bread. Today we're using my no-knead recipe that's up on my website. I left out the oil to, maybe make something a little bit closer to French bread or a baguette, which is kind of more what this is traditionally served on. Today we're doing the pizza dough, which I thought would be a lot of fun. We're starting with the cheese. I cubed up 3 ounces of low moisture whole milk mozzarella and also some fontina, 3 ounces of each. Some nice big chunks here. Typically on the sandwich, you're not gonna see cheese, but with the pizza here, I think we have to add it. And Argentina has a huge pizza culture, and one of the signatures with it is oftentimes tons of cheese, like a ridiculous amount. We're not going super crazy here, but we're being pretty generous. This is starting to look really nice, taking it all the way out to the crust on our dough here. The dough, I can see, look at all the bubbles on it. Look, a really good signs that our fermentation is looking really nice for our pizza today. Look at that, looks awesome. Okay, maybe a few more. Let's just finish it off with the rest of them here. Why not? We'll go extra cheesy in honor of the World Cup in Argentina. Look at that, bomb. Okay, so I grew up on this dish with one of my best friends. He was from Peru. So Choripán is, you can see it, we're talking Argentina today, but it's all over South America. And how I always had it was served with something closer to a salsa criolla, which I have here, which is a mixture of some onions. And one of the key things there is you always gotta rinse those onions or soak them in some cold water to take out some of that pungency and it also keep them nice and crisp. I also have some tomato and some bell pepper. Ají amarillo is typical in here. I have some other little hot yellow manzano pepper. And traditionally, it depends on who's making it. Some people put parsley or cilantro in here. I grew up on it with oregano, dried oregano. So that's what we got going on. Super bomb here. I'm gonna start topping the pizza with the mixture here, the salsa mixture, making sure we get some of the tomatoes, the onions, and the peppers. It's also has some olive oil and vinegar in here. Gotta be careful. Let's clean that up right now. That's like a total rookie move. If you're slopping sauce and stuff all over, that's one way that you can get your pizza to stick. So let's clean that up. But here with our salsa, we want to make sure that every piece gets a little bit of all the different toppings. So we're going to go pretty generous, finding some of the different little stuff in here. A good choice, the chorizo, I cooled it. And then typically when you're having this sandwich, it's like split. I did that, but then I made it in smaller chunks. But we want to be pretty generous here. Put one in the center and you check it out. It's got a nice little crust. And this chorizo is a little different than a Mexican style chorizo. It's a little bit firmer. This is like something you could eat in a sandwich, as I've been explaining. So look for something more like that. It wouldn't be complete without some chimichurri. I'm gonna definitely hit it with some of this afterwards, but I think a nice generous drizzle here on top of our chorizo and our salsa will be bomb. Look at that, looking amazing. I'm gonna head out to our Ooni calorie 16 that I have all heated up. It's actually tempering out. I turned it down. That's what I like to do before I load the pizza, and we'll turn it back up again. We'll check the temp though before we load it. This looks amazing. Check this thing out, guys. Our Choripán pizza, look at that. The chimichurri on top, our salsa criolla, some mozzarella. Let's get this thing in the oven. This Choripán pizza looks amazing and ready to load. But first, let's take our temp one more time. I turn the oven back up so that flame is rolling across the oven deck. That's what we want to see. I see the temp out here almost at 600. I like that. Let's see, inside 775 to 750, looking really good. We're gonna get our pizza loaded up. You can give it one last shake here on the peel. Get this thing right underneath the flame. Oh, being careful. I was sketching out in there because some of my chorizo started to get wild in there and almost falling out, but I think we're all good here. We're gonna let this dough start to bake up, making our delicious Choripán pizza. We wanna start to look for the dough to start to puff up, that cheese start to melt before we even think about touching it with our turning peel. I've seen some action that is making me really excited here. The cheese is starting to bubble and melt. Really good indications that your pizza might be, set enough that you can give it its first turn. Let's go in and take a look because I see some browning up there. Our oven's pretty hot here today. Tempering the peel a little bit there. Give a little peek underneath. Looks good. Freeing the bottom. Giving it a nice spin all the way around. Wow, look at that pie. Ooh, here we go. Look at that. Looking really nice. Being careful here, I wouldn't want to rip it. You can do a little bit faster turn if you're feeling that your pizza is really nice and set. Look at that, our salsa bubbling up and the chorizo getting even more color on it. It's looking really nice to me, bubbling up onto our pizza. I have a feeling this thing is going to be bomb. I mean, a combination of bread and chorizo and some salsa. How can you go wrong? Millions of people around the world love it, and I'm one of them. Wow, it's browning up really quickly. Look at this turning here. Going for a little bit quicker bake there. I'm gonna get this one, as you can see, it's less brown on the back here. Get it turned again. We gotta get this oven turned down here before we burn. All right, I'm gonna turn it all the way down to low here. Get it closed back up. We'll let the bottom finish. One of the biggest complaints I hear always with people frustrated with their backyard ovens is their bottoms of their pizza are not getting crispy enough. Well, what's the problem there? Most of the time, you just need to bake it longer, and that's proper oven control. Check out some of my other videos where I get more into depth on that. It's looking really nice. Let's peep the bottom here. It's coming along. The top browned up really quickly. I forgot to turn it down there. It's looking so far so good. All that olive oil on there. I'm pumped on that. I'm a generous olive oil guy, so I get down with that. It looks really bomb to me. How do we know that this pizza is done though? When you're picking it up with your peel, you can feel that flop right on your peel. If it's starting to drape over the sides of it, you probably got a little bit longer to go. If it's feeling kind of firm, it might be golden, as I think we are here. Look at that browning up really nice. I'm afraid that back end's gonna burn a little bit, so we'll finish it up. Look at that nice golden brown crust there. Really bomb. Into it. This is looking like an amazing pizza. I think our Choripán pizza is finished. I have my rack at the ready here to pull it out. Let's take a look. Sliding my turning peel underneath. Wow, a little bit of sag there, but good. This feels perfect to me. Look at this thing. Oh my God, look at all that delicious salsa bubbling up there. Our chorizo and the chimi on top. I'm gonna get it onto the rack before it goes everywhere. Gonna let it hang out for a minute. Meet you back inside. We'll hit it with a little bit more chimi and take it for a taste. This pizza is looking absolutely amazing. My Choripán World Cup pizza. It though with some chimichurri to finish off the little chimi drizz at the end here. Look at that, so bright and delicious. I'm gonna think this is gonna be a really bomb pizza. We'll just go fatty with the chimi right now. Look at that, in honor of the World Cup. Let's slice into our Choripán pizza. This thing looks unreal for sure. Amazing with our Salsa Criolla on there. Our chorizo that we cooked up in the Ooni. Our chimichurri, our cheese blend, amazing. Look at this. I gotta go. Let's see here, which one? The fatty one with 2 chunks. We're into it. Let's check out the pickup. This thing's loaded with so much cheese and chorizo. Unreal. Check it out. Super bomb. Let's get in it. just packed full of flavor. Super delicious. I'm really in this one. It's a really fun pizza. If you like choripán, put it on a pizza. Why not? It's got to be delicious. A little cheese in there. Amazing pizza. Another delicious one. Check out the recipe up on the website, SantaBarbaraBigger.com. I love you all. One love.